everyone and good morning. So today I have a very special guest. Dad is here in Macau, and like any good son, I thought I'd make him feel super uncomfortable and show him to all of the most local spots in Macau. He is from Ireland, living in England. Chinese food and culture is all very new to him, and today we're going to do the ultimate culture shock. Right now we're in Red Market, which smells strongly of fish. So we're just walking around and I'm going to be showing him, making him try all the craziest and most local things in Macau. Just giving him a culture shock. It's going to be crazy. So let's get going. So, walking around the market, what do you think so far? It's a bit
exactly that. Bit nervous.
Let's get going. First time bubble tea, so exciting! So guys, we have just went and got the first local item for my dad to try today, and it is bubble milk tea. Now I know it's just not Macau, it's also Taiwanese, but however it's very, very popular in Macau and not really drunk at all in Ireland or England. I thought we would start off with a fun one that he's sure to enjoy. You prepared to try the bubble tea, Dad?
Yes, well I've already lost the avocado drinking challenge with Joanna, so...
Yes. Yeah, earlier on, my dad bet Joanna that he wouldn't like avocado shake. Joanna says he'll like it. He doesn't think he will, so we're putting it up to a bet. We're putting money on the table.
I'm pretty confident that anyone in their right mind would like something like this.
It's frozen avocado. It ain't gonna be good. Yeah, it's nice.
Wow. But let's continue the adventure around Macau. So maybe this is another one for you to enjoy too.
Here we go. Okay.
Alright.
You promised me this is nice.
It's lovely. You're gonna love it. What? No!
Not a fan. Oh Josh, that's terrible, mate.
Really?
That is not heavenly. It's literally like sucking up slugs that have been lying in a cold bowl of tea all day.
Okay, let me give this a try.
Officially, Josh the intern has been lying to his audience all this time.
It is freshly creamy and delightful. The balls have the perfect amount of juice and carry a wonderful sugary taste.
Don't trust Josh the intern.
Trust me.
Because
It is good.
I give it 2 bubbles out of 10.
That's better than 0. Not off to a great start, but let's head on to the next place. Hopefully you'll enjoy that one more. Okay, Dad, we're heading on to the next location. Unfortunately, the bubble tea was a no, but on the way there, I wanted to...
More than a no!
A slight disagreement occurred. So we're heading on to the next place for you to try some more local food near the ruins of St. Paul area. It's just behind. It's actually really local and new spot. I talked to the owner yesterday. They seemed lovely and they're going to prepare us a very special dish. So let's keep going. Let's head on. Alright, so my dad is just at the toilet right now. I've just ordered, I've asked for super duper spicy. I'm gonna make him try it first. It's actually a really nice place here. It's really good food, but today we're going for super spicy stuff. So we'll see how my dad handles it. We'll see how I'll handle it. It's super humid right now, so I'll probably get a heart attack or heat stroke. But let's do it anyway, it's worth it.
And you want more spicy? I give you some chili.
Yeah, lots of chilies.
Hey.
Lots of chili.
A lot?
Tons, yeah.
So many already.
So many, we love.
Perfect.
I give you more spicy. Yeah. I'm frying.
Oh my goodness.
Really very spicy.
Just mix it a bit. Can you? Oh, okay. All right.
It's perfect.
Really?
Actually, yeah.
Whoa.
It's hot, but
Yeah.
that meat is beautiful.
Wow.
That's one of the nicest things I've ever eaten in street food. It's gorgeous.
Chili.
Some chilies.
Oh my god.
Very spicy. No?
That's hot. But it's good. Actually, I'm fine. Yeah.
No. All right, so I mean, my dad totally nailed it. Clearly, spice master. So I'm gonna see. Maybe it's not that spicy.
Give it a mix. Got a nice chili
There,
in
that's
there.
good,
You got a
right?
chili in it?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
alright.
That's good, right?
Okay.
I'm shaking. It's so spicy. What are you on about? I'm crying. Instantly crying. Like I was punched by Mike Tyson. Instantly.
Okay, now try a little bit of the meat.
I'm gonna try some beautiful pork intestines. It's very spicy. Oh. It's like I'm drinking lava. It's tasty, but it is so spicy. It's good street food, but it's so spicy.
It's a 10 chili.
10 chilies out of 10 chilies. Oh my goodness. So there you go. It's delicious. I think it's super spicy, but for you, it's the perfect amount of spice. You're insane. You must have been molded from the pits of lava in the volcano, but well done.
Thank you.
It's delicious. I think we'll get this to go and head on to the next place. We are standing avoiding the onslaught of rain right now, and I am currently trying to recover from the atomic bomb that I just ate. I mean, you're completely fine, you're chilling out.
I'm loving it. This is actually nice weather.
Ireland, right? It's like
Yeah, this
Ireland.
barbecue weather.
But yes, so we're waiting, recovering, and we're gonna head on to the next location. But we've been walking through some pretty local areas in Macau. What do you think so far?
I love it.
Yeah?
I really love it. People have been friendly. The food's been great. It's been good fun.
Yeah.
Weather's been amazing.
All right, next place. The weather is not good. Oh my god! It got way worse suddenly.
That was such a bad idea.
It just got so rainy. Like as soon as we started running, it just went.
That was a bad idea.
Oh my goodness. New strategy. I think we'll wait a little longer. So guys, we are here at a super local food market. And you come here, lots of locals come here, lots of different noodle options, and there's one particularly very special store which today we have got our noodles from, and Dad is going to be trying it. It is the penis of a bull. So Dad's going to go first, then I'll go. This is super local.
Here we go.
Dip it in the penis sauce.
Penis sauce. It's very chewy. It was definitely the tip. I'm in the fat. It's the fatty bit. I went from gristle to fat. I just realized we have no water. We've done.
How's it taste?
First of all, it was like slimy, and then once you get the penis slime away, it gets into gristle, and then it's pure fat. That's disgusting.
It goes without saying that this isn't normally in my diet, and it's certainly a bit bizarre to be eating. I would say that, oh, you know, just forget it doesn't look like a penis, but it really does look like a bull cock. I feel bad for the bull, but here we go. Scrumptious, lumptious, umptious. Give it a good dip, and let's go for it. Oh, you're right. There's like fat.
Have you got the chewy gristle?
That texture. It's so chewy. Just go away. Oh, there's so many layers. There's like a little mini like fat layer. There's like a sauce in it. Oh my gosh. A very weird texture and taste.
So Josh, you want to finish up?
No. This has been penis noodles, and it was penisy. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are here at the end of the video. We have experienced a lot of the local side and shown you a very local side of Macau. We have tried penis, the spiciest street food, and also some bubble tea from Taiwan, all of which are popular with locals and stuff you can try here in Macau. So what did you think?
I had a brilliant day.
Yeah?
Great fun. I have to admit, the next time I'm here, I think I'll pass on the penis.
Yes, I can imagine why.
And maybe the bubble tea. But
I'm very surprised by that one actually. But yes guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, share with a friend, tag a friend you want to take to these local spots around Macau. Sort of recommend the penis as a fun thing to try. All the rest are awesome in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.
bye.
Bye.